Good morning guys, welcome to the channel. Today, as you see on the title, we are going back to New York. I am not sure what everyone thinks about it because maybe it's not the best time to go back, but the reasons that we are going back is one, I really missed my home. Secondly, we have some veterinary stuff to do for Mika, and my apartment lease is gonna end up soon and I want to renew it, but they need to send an offer letter, and they sent this letter to my apartment and I need to see it. And because I thought it's gonna be very soon, I wanted to go back so I'm not missing the lease. That's the couple of reasons that we are going back today. We rented a car and Anil is driving the car that we rented to New York, and I am using the zip car that we rented to go to the Boston Logan airport to rent a car. In half an hour I need to return this car and we need to start packing things to the car that we rented and move to New York, and that's what's going to happen. So I'm going to stop talking now because I need to drive and the roads are a little bit crowded, so and I'm not familiar with Boston traffic, and I will see you when we are packing things up.
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm when you hold me.
Hello everyone, wanted to give you an update about our road trip. We have 1 hour left till we reach the destination. When we arrive in New York City, I'm planning to show you the streets and how it looks. But for now, we are just driving and enjoying the music.
A little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Finally arrived at New York City and I am in front of my apartment in the car because Anil just carried all the luggages back to apartment. We had to wait, one of us had to wait in the car because the police are here and we don't want to get fined. After that we will be leaving for a car rental place to return the car and we will come back. It is my first time seeing New York City after 2 months, I guess, and I feel like it's the same, but it is a little bit crowded than 2 months ago and people are like wearing masks. We just returned the car and we are walking through the home. We need to run some errands, like Mika needs to do her pee-pee and we need to buy some coffee. Also we need to get some food for ourselves because there's nothing at home. It is 6:30 and I need to organize all the things that we have. I need to put all the things in here. I'm so happy, but I have so many things to do, but it's really nice to be at home finally, and I'm so happy. I feel like I got a new apartment, but although it's not, I really miss my home. I'm so happy to spend some days in here, and I'm going to organize things, so I don't think I will be able to talk too much, but I thought it will be some kind of organization and you can see unpacking.
Ha, 2-3 kere yap. Zor da mı? Heroic oluyor zaten bunlar, zor. Bitirdin mi? Sana görevlerde. Evet, bir süre içimi patladı. Alsın aileye gel.
Good morning guys, today is Sunday and we are going out. First thing that we are going to do is walk with Mika as well as get some coffee. And I need to brush Mika because she's shedding a lot right now. So that's the plan. It's a beautiful weather outside. We are walking back home. We went to Starbucks as you can see, and we went to the riverside and sat a little bit, made our breakfast and brushed Mika. And we are going back to apartment. My plan is to go to Target and buy some home and organization stuff because I also need to make some space for Anul's stuff. I wanted to give you an update. It's actually really hard for me to vlog right now because at the same time I am vlogging for my adult channel and it's the same concept, so I'm like stopping this, recording for that, or vice versa. They are the same thing but in different languages. That's why like it's a little bit complicated, and sometimes I vlog more on that other channel, not in this one a lot, so I'm trying to balance things. It's gonna be almost 12 and I was like chilling a little bit and trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I went to Target and decided not to bring you because I wasn't sure if I bought so many things I could carry all the things really easily, but unfortunately I couldn't find anything that I was looking for, and that's why my organization plans went down. And for now my plan is to shift my closet. I mean, about shifting is shifting winter and summer dresses and put winter clothes in the luggage so they are not taking any space.
Uçup gitti bir de ondan mı?
We are going to the wet and we are in the Uber. We went to the wet. And that was so interesting because 2 months ago it was totally different system that they were having. You weren't allowed to go in. 2 months ago it was the same, but they even changed that. You are staying further back, and when you arrive you need to text them your name and your pet's name that you have arrived, and they will know that you arrived and they will come and pick your pet. After that, for the payment, they called me and asked me about the information on the card, all the numbers, name and security thing, and that was it. As far as I'm concerned about the protests and everything, tourists have just a protective thing on the classes, but everything seems peaceful in here. I know there are some areas that there is like worse than this and they're protesting, but not as much as I can see. Now I ordered food. If you know, like when you watch Korean dramas, you saw they drink soju and beer, and I was curious about how it tastes and I was craving some Korean food, so I ordered food from her name is Han. I ordered some bibimbap from them. This is the inside and this is the side. I really like their packaging and the portions as I am seeing. I also ordered kimchi salad because all the kimchis that I have, I left them in Boston and I need to go to the H Mart to get the kimchi, but I also bought some soju. I couldn't find the original one, so this is Chumchurum's peach and I got this apple one. Also I got this Korean beer. They only had this one. I'm not sure about the taste and I need to look how to like combine these two. Hello everyone, I wanted to give you my last update of the day. It is 9 right now and we left the apartment at 6:30 for Mika. What happened was, when I was going out to throw the trash, I put my keys inside because Anil was inside, and then he totally forgot for a second and closed the door, and we locked outside. So we need to wait for my building super, and our doorman said that the super is going to come at 8:39ish. So we had to spend some time outside, and I forgot my car, not the car keys. I forgot my phone and camera inside, so that's why I couldn't vlog anything. I wish I could, but I couldn't. And if you are gonna ask what happened after 8, because New York City has a curfew of 8 p.m. We were out, we didn't go far or the areas that the protests are going on, so we were just hanging around our neighborhood with Mika. So if the police saw, I guess they thought like we are walking around with our dogs, so that's why I didn't say anything. But we tried to stay in close to our building if something happens. That was it, and now we are at home. I don't think I will be vlogging anymore because there's nothing else after this point to show you. I'm just gonna rest, remove my makeup, and get ready for tomorrow mentally. And I hope from this day onward I can show you more of the New York vlogs and more fun stuff than the Boston, because I was just staying at home and there wasn't much to do at the apartment. And that will be it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Keep on searching for the missing pieces, try to find